будь ласка. Дещо знакова подія, тому що вперше за довший час ми знову відновлюємо програму Grain from Ukraine з портів Одеси, з Великої Одеси. Хотів подякувати всім, хто мав до цього відношення. Це українське зерно, гроші наших міжнародних партнерів, друзів, інших країн. Також велика робота World Food Program.
We are here in Odessa, in the front of MV Skygate, a very special vessel. It is the first humanitarian and the first WFP vessel to leave this port since August last year. It carries 25,000 metric tons donated by the government of Ukraine and co-sponsored by our donors for delivery to Nigeria. It is also very special because it's a symbol of determination in the face of challenge. It is grain from Ukraine, continues to feed the world, and it encourages the Ukrainian farmers to produce and make a living for their families. It's been a great partnership with the government of Ukraine to come to this, and it is a symbol of WFP's determination to never give up, to find ways, innovative ways to open new corridors to feed the world of the hungry people.